Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Dr. Vidya's Health Tips. In this video, I'll let you know what are the lifestyle changes a PCOD woman must follow. Generally, PCO women must have a balanced diet which contains more fiber, more proteins, more vitamins, and also less carbohydrates, less fats and less sugars. Whereas, high protein present in fish, chicken, soya, eggs, cottage cheese and all other dairy products. If you eat rice, say no to white rice, which is rich in carbohydrates and only end up with putting on weight. Instead, stick to brown rice, which is nutritious. If rotis, then try to have whole grain, that is multigrain roti, instead of having flour, maida or something else. If you have bread, prefer brown bread, which is rich in fiber and also reduces the risk of bowel cancer and helps digestion and also avoids weight gain. Apart from that, have lots of fluid. Avoid juices which contains lots of sugar. Coming to vegetables, you have all the vegetables which are very good, which are highly nutritious with no carbohydrates, such as beans, peas, legumes, spinach, cauliflower, cabbage, carrots, and etc. Coming to fruits, take fruits which do not contain lots of sugars, like avoid banana, mango, chiku, which is sapota, which are high in sugar levels. Try to cut down all the foods which put on weight to your body, such as fats, which is rich in butter, meat, oil, saturated fats, and also cut down chocolates, sweets, and sugars. And also avoid junk foods such as pizza, burgers, cokes, soft drinks, which only gives empty calories and also increases your weight. And the main thing is to maintain body weight. If a PCO person is fat, then they must reduce weight. If she is lean, then of course no need to reduce, but still need to maintain a good weight. Try to do physical activities for at least half an hour to 45 minutes once in a day, like do workout, go for morning walks, dance, aerobics, and other things you can do. Try to control sugar levels as PCOS patients become resistant to insulin. Hence, they are given anti-diabetic medication by doctors to make them sensitive towards insulin. Coming to treatment, for PCO women, normally doctors advise a drug called metformin. It is a drug normally given to diabetic patients, but in this case, PCO women becomes resistant to insulin. Hence, they are given anti-diabetic medication to make them sensitive to insulin. By lowering insulin level, metformin allows many women to cycle more normally. Metformin not only improves menstrual cycle but also helps reducing weight and reduces the risk of miscarriage if she is conceived. Coming to acne, which is pimples, this drug also reduces androgen levels in the body. As you already know, we have discussed in our previous video, when androgen levels falls down, acne also disappears. The other drug is cyproterone acetate, which is an anti-androgen and progestin medication. It reduces the amount of androgens produced by body and blocks the action of androgens. It comes with the combination with OC pills, which is oral contraceptive pills, which is not a single day medication. It comes in the form of 21-day pills. Also, it can treat severe acne in women, unwanted hair growths on body, regularizes menstrual cycle, but it doesn't cure permanently. Other drugs such as clomiphene citrate, letrozole, which helps in developing eggs in the ovaries normally, and other supplementation drugs such as myoinositol will also be given by doctors. And a strict warning, treatment should be taken under the guidance of doctors, whereas these drugs can also cause complications. When PCO women fail to respond to medications, then they can go for LOD. LOD is laparoscopic ovarian drilling. It is a minor surgical procedure for fertility problems associated with PCOS. Ovaries will be surgically heated using heat or laser to destroy the tissue that's producing androgens, male hormones, which corrects hormonal imbalances and restore the normal function of ovaries. So women, if you try all the above mentioned lifestyle measures, you can at least prevent the effects of PCOS. As I've mentioned above, to reduce the effects of PCOS, you need to maintain healthy weight, limit your carbohydrates, improve proteins, and be active. So friends, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your loved ones, and make sure you subscribe our channel, hit the bell button to get notified when I post a new video, and thank you all.